Sa lahat ng mga pasyente ko, pag meron silang nirereklamo when they complain of menstrual irregularities, weight gain, acne, pimples, hairiness, the first question I ask is, may family history ba po ng diabetes? Women who have diabetes, it is high sugar in the blood. What controls the high sugar in your blood? There is a hormone called insulin that controls the sugar in the blood. So, when you have your insulin levels that are doing and giving its role, okay, it controls the sugar. Women with a family history of diabetes may not have diabetes, but may have the risk of developing PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. You have the gene for the diabetes, but bakit po kayo nagpipikos? Because there is an endocrine or metabolic syndrome or condition called insulin resistance. Ang nangyayari po, pag may PCOS, okay? Remember, your insulin is to control your sugar in your blood. Now, if you have a history of diabetes, you have the risk of PCOS. Women who have PCOS may have an increase in insulin levels in the blood. So, tandaan nyo, tumataas yung levels ng insulin sa dugo. So, imbis na napupunta yan sa muscles, okay, sa ibang parte ng katawan, okay, it stays in the blood. So, you have insulin resistance. Okay. So, pag nangyari yon, nakikita natin yung mga may PCOS, tumataba, nagwe-weight gain. Okay? Bakit? Because your insulin is a hormone. It has an interplay with the other hormones, male hormones, female hormones like estrogen and progesterone. So when your insulin levels are high, it disrupts the hormonal play that affects your ovary.